Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Learning Key. We're very happy to have you here with us today. This channel is all about helping you improve your English listening and speaking skills naturally through real conversations that are easy to understand and enjoyable to listen to.
That's right. Our goal is to help you feel more confident using English in everyday situations, especially when talking about your own life. And today's topic is something everyone can talk about: daily work and study routines.
Many English learners know grammar and vocabulary, but they sometimes feel nervous when talking about their daily life. Talking about work or study routines is very common and very useful in real conversations.
Exactly. When you meet new people, they often ask questions like, "What do you do? Do you work or study? Or what's your daily routine like?"
Before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to English Learning Key, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our future listening and speaking practice episodes.
And while you're listening, remember, you don't need to understand every word. Just relax, enjoy the conversation, and focus on the general meaning and useful phrases.
So, let's start by talking about why daily work and study routines are important. For many people, work or study takes up a big part of the day, so it's a very natural topic in conversation.
Yes, and being able to explain your routine helps you connect with others. It also helps you practice the present simple tense, which is very important in English.
Daily routines are things we do regularly, like going to work, attending classes, studying, taking breaks, or commuting.
For example, someone might say, "I work in an office," or "I study at a university," or "I work from home."
Let's talk about work routines first. Many people start their workday in the morning, but the time can be very different for everyone.
Some people start work at 8, some at 9, and others work night shifts or flexible hours.
A simple sentence could be, I usually start work at 9 in the morning.
Or, "I work 5 days a week, from Monday to Friday."
Some people commute to work. They might take a bus, train, or drive a car.
Others work from home, which has become very common. They might say, "I work from home, so I don't commute."
During the workday, people usually have tasks or responsibilities.
For example, "I answer emails, attend meetings, and work on projects."
Talking about your job doesn't need to be complicated. Simple sentences are clear and effective.
Now let's talk about study routines. Many learners are students, so this topic is especially useful.
Students might study at school, college, or university. Others study online or part-time.
A student might say, "I study English in the morning," or "I have classes in the afternoon."
Studying often includes listening to lectures, reading, writing, and doing homework or assignments.
For example, "I usually study for 2 hours in the evening after dinner."
Some students like studying in the morning, while others feel more focused at night.
There's no right or wrong. What matters is finding a routine that works for you.
Breaks are also an important part of work and study routines.
Yes, taking short breaks helps you relax and stay focused.
Someone might say, I take a short break every hour, or I have lunch at noon.
Talking about routines also helps you use frequency words like always, usually, often, sometimes, and rarely.
For example, I usually check my emails in the morning, or I sometimes study on weekends.
These words make your English sound more natural and fluent.
Another common topic is workload. People often talk about whether they are busy or not.
You can say, "I'm very busy this week," or "My workload is light today."
Students might say, I have a lot of homework, or I have exams coming up.
These expressions are very common in daily conversations.
Daily routines also include what you do after work or study.
For example, after work, I relax, exercise, or watch TV.
Or, after studying, I review my notes and prepare for the next day.
Another helpful habit is planning your day.
Some people plan their tasks in the morning, while others plan the night before.
You might say, "I make a to-do list every morning," or "I plan my schedule in the evening."
Talking about routines is also a great way to practice speaking English daily.
You can describe your routine out loud while doing it. For example, I'm starting work now, or I'm studying for my exam.
You can also talk about your ideal routine.
For example, in my ideal day, I start work early, finish on time, and relax in the evening.
Now let's make it interactive. Think about your daily work or study routine.
What time do you start? What do you usually do during the day?
Are you more productive in the morning or in the evening?
Pause the video if you want and try describing your routine out loud in full sentences.
You can also write your routine in the comments. For example, I usually start work at 9, take a lunch break at 12, and finish at 5.
Or, I study in the afternoon and review my lessons at night.
Remember, you don't need advanced grammar. Simple, clear English is enough.
The more you practice talking about your daily life, the more confident you'll feel in real conversations.
If you're busy, even a short routine can help you stay organized and focused.
And if your routine changes, that's completely normal. Life isn't always the same every day.
The important thing is consistency and practice, both in your routine and in your English learning.
Small daily habits can lead to big improvements over time.
If you found this episode helpful, please like the video and share it with someone who's learning English.
Subscribe to English Learning Key for more listening and speaking practice podcasts.
And leave a comment telling us about your daily work or study routine, or suggest a topic for our next video.
Thank you for listening and practicing with us today.
Remember, every conversation is a chance to improve your English.
Your English is getting better step by step, one routine and one conversation at a time.
Keep practicing, stay confident, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye for now, and happy learning!